Okay. Sorry, guys. Okay, there we go. Hopefully now Wi-Fi decides to play ball. But we're on. We're doing this. Oh, let's see if we get an opportunity. I then wanted to do one last thing. Quickly hop onto here. Okay. Done. I mean, lavender, it is a thing. I don't know. This Wi-Fi has just been having a mini meltdown. It's not coping. I don't know why it's not coping, but it's honestly just having a little mini freak out with life. But at least, guys, there's only, I guess, like, only technically like 5 more days. And then I'm moving. How wild. Hey, beach man! How you doing? Ah. Coffee good? Coffee needed. NQ breakout above the highs. Let's see, it now looks like it's in a little bit of a struggle bus. Really wants to take Asia high, it's just not happening. So now let me find, this was the 3 a.m. open. Okay, 3 a.m. open. Let's zoom in slightly. Let's see what this would have done. I don't know if I would have taken this. I mean, it's like a B setup technically, but that's a very sketchy little B setup. Yo, I'm so zoomed in right now. For valid reason. It's not really moving, is it? I'm not gonna lie, I'm very cold today. I don't know why, but I'm very, very cold today. Let's watch and see how this reacts here. No sellers. Rolf, with how it's moving, I would assume that there was no one here at the moment. There's just nothing. That is low-key the vibes that it is giving me right now. What's up, Debbie? How are we doing? Good morning, Deb. Deborah. How are you? Are you doing amazing? Oh, sorry, my multi-chat's having a mini meltdown. There is the 200 EMA in 15 minutes. Oh, Deb, I'm good. I'm counting down the days. I'm literally counting down the days. Technically, there's, no, it can't be 9 days. Technically, there's 9 days left until I move. So we're down to the single digits now. Single digits. Heck yeah, heck yeah, heck yeah. OTT, what's up? Did you say hello earlier? And I missed? I did. I'm so sorry, OTT. I'm not doing it on purpose. I legitimately don't see you saying hi. I'm so sorry. Where in Kapting are you moving? Suburb area. I can tell you, I mean, Kapting is large. Midrand side. So it's kind of like betwixt Pretoria and Joburg. Which is cool. Maya hates me. Well, we both know that's not true. I'm gonna have to go with you to go and get your first tattoo. No ways. Oh wait, obviously Lavender. Sorry, I keep forgetting that you came from here. Is that close to your OTT? My paying BTW. Bruh. That's a lie. I live between Midrand and Santon. Oh, nice, nice. That's fancy. Good grief. Especially Santon side. Santon side, super fancy. Yeah, no, I'm Midrand side because then I'll be close-ish, or closer to my horse than if I was Centurion side. So I used to live Centurion side of the world. OTT, have you even messaged her? I'm not mad. I'm asking a question. Have you? Brown. What is happening? At this point, we may as well do a coin toss. Minimally, what's up? How are you doing? I'm back, Shaki. How are you? Sorry, Wi-Fi is having a mini breakdown. I think it's trying to tell me to not miss this place. Because, oh my gosh, it keeps giving me reasons to want to move back more and more and more. Every single day. Getting a whole back tattoo with color just so Maya pays. Yeah, no. Time to invest in a cat cable. I'm assuming that's a fancy like internet cable thing, Shaki? Yes? No? Maybe? Doggo, what's up? How you doing? Welcome. Yeah, sorry about earlier. I don't know, Wi-Fi was having a meltdown about life. Wanted to look at him and be like, what? Why? What do you have to complain about? Very good, thank you. Yesterday I was in short for like 4 hours. I was 20.6 points from my stop loss, but I managed to catch. Oh, minimally, that deserves a whoop whoop. That is awesome. Well done. That is flipping fantastic. 220 points on NQ. Well done. Yeah, I had a little loss yesterday. Not during NQ. I didn't take a trade during NQ. I was kind of forward testing something on NQ, so I did take a trade on the paper. What else happened? I feel like I tried to take a few trades on my. I did try and take a few trades on my funded, but the ones that would have been winners didn't come and tag me in, and the one that did tag me in obviously was not a winner. Who traded FOMC yesterday, you DJs? How did you get a tattoo that wraps around your whole body from head to toe? OTT, you have to be smart when you get your first tattoo. It has to be a little one, it has to be in a spot that's not sore. Because then you go, oh, this is cool. And then you go back and then you get one that's a little more painful, maybe a little bit bigger, and you go, oh, that was a bit spicy, but still cool. And then by that point, you're basically hooked, and then you can go like a mad lad. For a wired connection. Yeah, Shaki, I might have to do that when I'm back up in Joburg. I held through FMC, but my stop was so tight that I said to myself, oh, F it, leave the trade. So minimally, literally, well, number one, that's impressive. So would you have been tagged break even if you had moved break even? I wanted to say something, but I'm not going to say it on the live, or else I'm going to get in trouble. I detached, I always trade the news. I do have to do. I need information. Oh my gosh, well, I'm not even going to pretend to try and say that. Only using, well, I don't use a Fibonacci, so a decent pullback. We break even if I move. Nice. Now use that cam box for the whole swing for a long and target the high. This whole swing, let's see. I'm curious. Okay, let's see. I'm not gonna take this roll. That's too large, but okay, you have intrigued me. Maya getting back to 50k before she moves. Actually, you know what? You say that, but I think next week, so I might just have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Next week, I might just become a bit of a degen because, I mean, I can. Let's see. Let's see. RTT, look at you being a bad influence. It showed me that I would be stopped if I were trading futures, but on CFDs, I didn't go that high. Futures. Oh, minimally. Okay, that makes sense. Oh. Oh, good grief. Guys, I'm apparently just being the problem today. I am I'm being all the problems. Oh, second Micro, what are you doing? It's coming home, it's coming home. My trade news with me when you're ready to beat the dumbbell so easy. If it was a prime gambling era, I would be in a Bugatti right now. Minimally, no, I had a little loss yesterday. I had a win on the paper. If that counts, I don't know, it doesn't really count. Now, on the funded, I had a little loss, unfortunately. The funded has been, for lack of a better word, pissing me off. Just because of the fact that the winning trades, literally it misses tagging me in by a tick or a spread. The other day it missed me by a spread. Anyways, so it misses me by a tick or a spread. And then it goes to be winning trades, and the ones that tag me in end up being losses. But the A+ setups are also quite far and few between. Hey, so like I said, for lack of a better word, the funded is pissing me off recently, but I am doing some forward testing. I'm trying to increase my accuracy and what's the word? Consistency. I'm trying to increase my accuracy and consistency. That's what I'm trying to increase now. So I am forward testing something, seeing if I can add a little bit here and there that gives me something so that I don't feel like sometimes, how do I put this? Sorry, you now put me on a little bit of a rant. You know, when I rant, I don't stop. Anyways, I now feel like, I don't know, I was just getting frustrated. I felt like I was trading a little bit blind. So now I'm trying to add things here and there and see if I can increase the information without overthinking it. Does that make sense? Sorry, I know that's a lot of talking, but that's what I am kind of forward testing as well. So I'm not taking as many trades on the funded, but it's because I'm forward testing and just trying to improve, right? It's at that stage where I feel like I'm a little bit stuck, but when I break through it, we're gonna be good to go. I just have to push through it now. Okay. I'm not touching my funded until I make it to 2 funded accounts. Ooh, minimally, that's not bad though. A very interesting level at 398. Why? What does it look like at 398? To fight the last one, fans of right with the world. Okay. Trading on fund is also hard for me, just mentally. Try volume profile for free with 25 pounds, like I said yesterday. I still don't have a bias for Inky, maybe longs for ES, I don't know. Ali, I'm gonna try your 2 accounts, copy trade thingy and see how that works. Jay got pissed as a fart. I've never heard that before in my life. Sipai, what's up? Cold account cycling. Okay. Oh, guys, it's... I don't know why I'm being such a baby. Like, I'm feeling really cold today, but it's not necessarily a cold day. Oh, I'm gonna suffer when I go back up to Joburg. You guys are gonna see me complaining so much. Someone's mama is so fat when she skips a meal, the whole stock market dips. Damn, Skeletor, I was not expecting that. That was... Okay, very commenting. We have many terms, but nice, because chat copy trading a lot of accounts isn't as easy as curious. Make it to be mentally exhausting. If I didn't get pissed, but my mom nearly got up. Straight up the TV when they pushed. I feel like you should have like filmed that. I'm just saying. I feel like you should have filmed that. Struggling there. It's a little moth. Why is the moth going to attack me? Please remove once eyeglass. What? Are you asking me to remove my glasses? Why? That's a weird request. The level is calculated every day and forms half of a range. That's the upper level of a range. Backtest show closes below that level 96. So around that level that you mentioned is where I have my midnight magnet marked out. Well, to be fair, the midnight magnet for me is marked out at 400.25. So it's a little bit like a few ticks off. That's a different thing though, right? That's just coincidental. Jackie? No one hears Mama, of course. Everyone hears Mama in good standing in their community, and it's beautiful. Yeah, so you are too okay. You are too precious.
Nice.
Lavender. Lavender will beat you up for funsies. I love it. I love it. Okay, so this did actually come in retest. Nice call, Ralph. Let's see how it reacts up here, though. Though technically it should be this range. See if it goes all the way for Asia High. Cold. Exploit calculator, I'm busy. Okay, cool. That's true. I'll defend you all day, every day. Girl power! Heck yeah. Ooh, Lavender. You weren't here yesterday. Were you? No, you weren't. We had another female trader join us. I was like, yes, there's more estrogen coming to join the chat. I love it. Yeah. Yeah, that trade would be a break even at least. No, this trade wouldn't have been anything. Like, there was entry at 0.5. Now it's going up. Let's see this from here. Nope. Wouldn't have come down far enough. I wanted to see if it reacted to this little bit of a volume imbalance, because they obviously reacted properly. And we still have to find something. It's gonna be a different level of British. You're gonna witness. I'm excited. I wanna see all of that. We need a moment of silence for OTT. Seriously, a moment of silence for OTT, because that was your Mikwave, you just obliterated him. Oh my gosh. You know what? I think that deserves this for OTT. Damn, I wasn't expecting that. was... Wow. Okay. Okay, that's then starting to look better. But now this might be running up. Just a retest into here. Partially tempted to take this on my funded. It did tap into 50% of this wick, so a little bit of a retest here. Potentially expected. That's a bit of a problem. Ah, cat respected. Until Asia High. Who? No, give him that violin music. I mean, I've seen... I'm the nice mod, I don't ban. OTT. OTT is. Probably gonna pull back on the double top. Yeah. Let's see, it might be a bigger pullback than I want to see, but I still took it, so let's see. Microwave get rid, that's why you're a mod. Oh my gosh, that is a giant pullback. Holy cow. Let me see something here. Was this the correct one? Let's see how it reacts. I did expect to pull back off of the 50%. I just didn't think it would be that big. Womp womp. Twice times. One for OTT though. See, this is why I don't like pattern. Oh, shoot. I should have looked at ES. Oops. ES took the high. Okay, so this is the full range. Let's see how the full range reacts now. Would have been up there. Eh. To 7.9. Da, da, da. That one called shit of coding. Flip. Debbie, sometimes when I ban people, I feel bad. It's usually work. First, then I don't feel bad about banning them. I guess that's valid. Keen on this, wasn't keen on this. Might pull down a little bit further to a midnight magnet. I realize I don't have the best mindset for today, but it is what it is. And why I say I don't have the best mindset for today is because I have a very there's no PG version. Oh no, there is. Oh, no. I have a very effort, like F it mindset today, which is bad. Bad. Why does this not look right? No, it is right. Just did not look right. We'll make it smaller because it looks so big. There we go. What's bugging me? No, you look, you need one more. OTT. $10K good. Prop trade or live trade. Long right now. Okay. No. Ban me. Is that 10K is enough? Let's see how this reacts here. But yeah, this one would have been a goodie. Ooh, I can't be in an effort mood. Don't be in one of those moods. Bad idea to be in one of those moods. Let's see. Hopefully this isn't just gonna be going sideways. Let's see how this does here. I know, Shaki, why do you— yeah, I swapped to the— yeah. Yeah, I very quickly swapped to paper. I was like, nope, nope, you're about to do something dumb. Perhaps you can buy 5 final accounts. You can trade or not. Let's see how this goes. Now we just stay hands off. Alright, now look at it go. Come on, let's see my yeeter funded and earned a payout today. Oh, you're so funny. This is on the paper. This is on the paper. Okay. I do know that if I do dumb stuff, do it on the paper. Let's see though. Oh, hello. I was wondering where you were. Hello. Are you good? Did you get them? There were monkeys running around, so he's been chasing them the whole morning. Did you get him? You're such a good boy. Harry in the house. The main man is here. Yeah. I'm a main man. Good boy. Hey? Yeah, good boy. Oh, okay. There goes my earpiece. Are you good? Okay. I don't have any sweeties. He's looking at me as if he's expecting me to do things. There's no sweets. Oh, oh, I found an itchy spot. I got the spot. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Why is this going sideways? It is. It's going sideways. Ah. So irritating. Damn. Okay. Okay then. Okay then. Hey, Pat. No, I had a little loss, but that's okay. It is what it is. We move on. Okay? We move on. I'm winning at life, if that counts. Yeah. Because I got this cool dude over here. How you doing, Pat? Jeremy, hi! How you guys doing? His bum is facing you and scratch his bum cheek. Watch him poke bunny. I don't know if you'll do that. I'll try. Mm-hmm. Okay, cool. Okay, he went and lay down. He needs a new dog bed. His dog bed is so flipping sad. Like, it makes me sad how sad his dog bed is. It's not great. Okay, wait, actually. You know what I am gonna go do? I'm gonna go get a jersey because I'm cold. Sorry, my bad. I was having a big fat chat with myself. My bad. I'm sorry. I'm having a bit of a blonde day, guys. It does happen. Often. Damn, look at this. Absolute rubbish. Seriously. Is anyone taking a trade? Is anyone in on this? This is at some weird... Okay, let's see. Let's see how that reacts. And almost 2 years actually trading, but 10 including crypto. Crypto just bought and held back, then traded. Now everything else. Okay. Sorry guys, I say okay a lot. Okay, so can I just say, you guys could legitimately make a drinking game out of this damn stream. Every time I say like bub or okay, or I mess up English like I did earlier. To be fair, you guys would probably get alcohol poisoning, but there we go, Lavender. If I say that, another shot right there. Oh, flip, what was it? Someone mentioned a drinking game yesterday, and I looked at them and I said I would die. I would actually die. I can't remember what it was for, but I would, because I'd have to drink so much that I would not do well at all. This is gonna drive me crazy. This is actually gonna drive me crazy. Man, I can't drinking games here in New York. People think you're an alcoholic when you drink before midday. That's fair. That's fair, Debbie. I'm in a drinking game right now. Every time price touches VWAV. Wait, really? This is gonna drive me crazy. Doesn't matter. Can't remember. Can't remember. Maybe I should do a drinking game. Every time you guys are mean to me, I have to take a shot, but then you guys would just be mean to me on purpose. Lavender, you're not wrong. It could be. Oh my gosh, how is this price action getting worse right now? Where's Hammer? I need Hammer's here to tell me about the welding. Hammer! I have a sneaky suspicion this is actually gonna end up going down. Anyways, what's up, Dom? How you doing? Don't use triple VWAM. A triple threat drinking game. Are you guys okay? I don't know, do I need to call someone for you? There's a very, it's a good song. It's called I'll Call Your Mom by Noah Khan. The first sentence in it is, so you're spiraling again, and I'm just like, wow, that was low-key a personal attack, but whatever. Alcohol. I'll call your mom. Oh, I'm sorry, my bad. An alcoholic mom. I would like just douse her in alcohol. You to partake in a drinking game. I would use milkshakes instead. Right, I keep forgetting that we have toddlers in the stream. I'm kidding, OTT. Stay as pure as you are. You need to, don't drink, it's not fun. Though I feel like for shots, OTT, you need like shots of banana milkshake because we need you to pull a face. If you have a shot of banana milkshake. And we know you'll pull a face if you have a shot of banana milkshake, so. I feel like them's the rules, I don't make the rules. What even is this? You're drinking some banana milkshake? I'm not good. Out here catching strays. Wow, get your trades in this morning on New York. Looks like there won't be a New York session Friday. Why? Wait, why? Why not, Jackie? Why don't you buy a market playback? You could rewind. I have FX. No, I have it FX. I mean, you can even do it on TradingView where you can go to a specific day and it just goes bar by bar, so you won't get the wicks and stuff. But I have FX, so I can do that with FX. Juneteenth? April. Is that a thing? What? Oh, okay. Okay, so there probably won't be a session on Friday. Okay, cool. I did not know that. Thank you for the heads up. Appreciate it. I might put a gold top next time and take a look. It's a weird thing going on Nasdaq, actually. Why? What's it doing? Hey, Augustine, how are you? What is the milkshake place in SA called again? I forget. Are you thinking about Milky Lane, Lavender? I mean, there's a few milkshake places, but I'm thinking you're thinking about Milky Lane. Hey, Lava Turtle, what's up? Long time no see. Oh, Pat, the funded account is... yeah, okay, that's fine. It's there. Mention just a New York session. Amanda, yes or no? You can't... I feel like forward testing is also just another level. So this is low-key what I'm doing here. I am forward testing, I'm doing paper trading, but forward testing the live feed. Forward testing works quite well. The only problem with this is there's no emotions. The most difficult part of trading is controlling the emotions and the psychology. If I know that there's nothing to be risked, I then don't care. And that's where my issue comes in. Just the New York session should be closed. Okay, cool. So I'll be here for the London session. And then you say New York is probably going to be closed. And then... yeah, I mean, we can maybe... Let's see what New York then brings. It's the one with burgers too. Looks better, but not like equivalent to Burger King. Anyway, you're right now been 2 weeks of break up for some reason adding accounts just problems. Lava Turtle. Okay, so not Milky Lane, Lavender. Are you thinking of that place in Centurion? I think I know which place you're thinking of. The Grub. Is that it? that it? Is that what it's called? Yeah, Grub House. Because they have some wild milkshakes. Grub House. Is it that one? I remembered Wimpy. Oh, Wimpy! Wimpy is not a milkshake place. Let me show you this. So, oh man, this is now low-key making me list. OTT, I'm gonna have to take you here. Look at these milkshakes. Look at these. These are milkshakes. The Grub House milkshakes are wild. They have some crazy stuff with them. Yeah. Oh, that's a fishbowl. Anyways. Yeah. Sorry, that was the most random thing ever. But you now got me on the topic of milkshakes. But yeah, this is like a Grub House milkshake. Believe it or not, I've never actually had one. Always seen these photos, always thought, damn, this looks cool. Never actually had one. Oh, anyways, moving on. Equalize and reverse. I'm really struggling with this consolidation going on. I can't decide whether it's going or downwards. I'm thinking big of higher highs. Amanda, that's the thing. Consolidation is there's no PG way of saying this. It's a witch with a B. It's not. I personally hate consolidation, but I know some people love to trade. It's. I think if you have a trading system that works with consolidation, you are good to go. Unfortunately for me, I did not. Maya, just let the emotions out. Do you know how many keyboards I've snapped in half and mouses I've thrown out the window? It's great fun. Problem is, that's then gonna cost me money because then I have to replace my keyboard and stuff. Okay, so this one would be even better. I was like, full. They had good milkshakes. To be fair, Lavender, my friend actually sent me. Oh, I don't think you were here. My friend literally Ubered me or whatever. Got me a Wimpy milkshake on stream the other day. I was so happy. She had a Wimpy milkshake delivered to my house. I was so happy. I was here just drinking my milkshake. I was in pure joy. Let's try them on. Let's see next impulse. I should just wait good trades all over. Why don't we console just keep buying very low? I would have drunk 7 times already with my VWAP game. Okay, Lavender, maybe you shouldn't make that a drinking game. We might never see you again. See, they do. I will actually, you know what, I do concede. You are correct. Okay, it just took out Asia High. I was gonna say, do I try and take this one? Maybe not. I don't get credit, just trying to come up with ideas. You can actually one at them. What's up, Sale? How are we doing? Yeah, the post that was in Discord. I think so, Shaki, but I'm pretty sure this is how we all die. Just go back into this range. I'm pulling a bit of a face because I kind of want to take it on the funded, and I'm like, don't do it. Don't do it. You've had a loss. Your brain is being a little bit silly goosey today. Just took out Asia High. Don't go and do dumb things. Yesterday was terrible with headphones. Last week was brief. No, Sale! No, I'm so sorry. That's a decent setup if it comes back. I don't know if it is going to come back though. How much would I be risking? Oh, it was 4 AM. That's what happened here. That makes sense. I was like, this just kind of popped out of nowhere. No, 4 AM happened. 4 AM is a diva. Good grief. I don't. Problem is this is more of a B setup. Okay, leave it alone. Leave it alone. Hands off. Only true shake. Oh, what's up, Boom? Sounds like a business opportunity. See you tomorrow. Oh, cheers, David. Enjoy. Annoying me even more. What's up, Boom? Baby banana band. You hate the word banana. What about Boom Banana? Damn, what did Boom Banana do to you? Also, hi Atlanta. How are you? Just watching all the shenanigans go on. You walking on a banana walk to your land from my store. I think it's safe to move up your stuff. Yes, I know it's paper. Yeah, I know, Rolf. I'm trying to teach myself to stop moving my stop loss. I've realized it's actually losing profits if you go break even. Sometimes it saves you, don't get me wrong, but a lot of the times it actually gets you. But I guess I guess I can mitigate it by half. Follow that low there. Can do that. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, you were streaming, but nothing was happening, so you just closed it? Oh! Is it now gonna be the boom effect? When did you close it? Did you close it like just before 4 and then the market started moving? Please say that happened. Please say that happened. Then it's not just me. That would be hilarious. I didn't even know Boom was streaming. I'm a bad fan. I apologize. No? When did you stop? Boom. Actually. Sorry. Just looking at everything. Okay, not much happened. Oh, the move happened and that's when you said, oh, okay. It's easy though, it sucks, but it's easy. Yes, I never read past boom. Okay, I had my one good viewer. Who was your viewer? So boom, you need to start like telling people when you go. Was it Ninja? What's up, Ninja? How you doing? I wanted to buy a 391. Why didn't you? I guess it's probably safe to go break even now, to be fair. I pull back to the double top is likely to happen. Let's see. Oh, okay, you wanted it to retest it. But I can do it. What's up, Hammer? I was just talking about you. How are you? Why was I talking about you? I think I asked where you were. Why did I ask where you were? I can't remember. Anyways, what's up, Hammer? How are you? Are you good? You're dabbling with some longer term trades. Yeah, kinda. Not really. In a way, yeah, I'm trying to... Yeah, I don't even know. I'm trying to get some better type of setups. I don't like that wick, I'll just take myself out. Nah, this is going bob to bob. So it's fine. Oh, Hammer, I was wondering where you were yesterday. You disappeared. Cool, that was a cool bob to bob level. Entered here. and then boom. Banana. Good grief, okay. Guys, clearly Hammer doesn't want to be bugged. I'm sorry, Hammer. I'll never ask you where you at again. My bad. My bad. I wanted you to know that you were appreciated in this community, but it's fine. Gosh. Fine. I'll never do it again.
Emotional damage.
Okay, sharpening. Okay. I like swings. Sorry, for some reason my brain went to what was that cartoon thing called? And this man just goes, I like trains, and then the train goes and comes past. Anyways. What was that? For the life of me, I can't remember. For the life of me, I cannot remember. Amanda agreed to the train manager basically when we're trading. That's a trade. Before he can trade do. I like trains. Thank you, Lavender. So you know what I'm talking about, right? Your curiosity with trains scared me. I did reply to him. Agreed it online. You have another chat prior, that's valid. So Lavender, you know what I'm talking about, right? There we go. What was it? Ace? Your ASDF movie. Surely you guys have heard about it. Yes, I do. It was around the same time as Shoes. Into the wheel. Ninja, where are you going? That's not my point. Like 15 years ago. This thing, surely you guys know this. Surely. Please, please. Please. I remember shoes. I don't know shoes. What were shoes? 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 I mean, I have shoes, but I don't remember shoes. Well, I was thinking about Thomas the Train. No! Work is being painful, people on my back and I did. Oh, sorry, Ninja. So when this piece deal happens and then falls through in July, it's probably gonna be massive. You really think it's gonna fall through? I hope not. Shoes was a little earlier than Trains and Candy Mountain. Of course I know Candy Mountain. Charlie, Candy Mountain. Sorry, you're thinking about Charlie. So shoes, I don't know. I know llamas with hats. My brain for some reason are going to llamas with hats. Cheers, Ninja. How many ticks did you catch? Well, points. I'm sorry, I do points. I took it by Kyoto. It was a 70-point trade. 3 and just hit the limit again on that. Salad fingers? Maybe. I've not seen that. I don't have a trade obsession, Shaki. It's like a... I can't believe you guys haven't seen that. I definitely don't have a train obsession. You guys know I have a horse obsession, but that's just because I was always that weird horse girl. I was that weird horse girl growing up. You know, there's always one. I was that one. Let me take a second to show you. I want to see Max and Burrito. Orange. I've never seen this. Sharpening? Is it this? Never seen it. I'll have to... I'll have to check it out afterwards. I'm assuming this is what you're talking about. We need to stream bump. What's up, Boom? Jabez? Hi! I like it. Toy trades! Oh, okay, Boom. Blue Morpho Butterfly. Okay, we're doing Butterfly of the Day, like 20-year-old YouTube video. What the train guy in the UK? No. I've seen the train guy video before. How about what train guy? What train? So that was a funny video. Anyways, what was a funny video was how animals eat their food. Have you guys? Please say you have at least seen that. Please say you have at least seen that. Okay. Become an obsession with trains and makes these clips where he waits for them to pass and post the clips on. Oh! Is he the one that wears the camera like on his head and it's showing like his face? That's all weird. Is it that one? I don't know. Hammer, that makes me think of that. Anyways. Butterfly of the Day, courtesy of Boom, is the blue Morpho Butterfly. This is how he looks on the outside. It's pretty badass, actually. This is on the outside, and then on the inside, his blue. Super duper. Whoa, look at this. Oh, how flipping amazing would it be to see that? That is cool as heck. Look at this. It can't be real. Like, I know in my brain that it is, but I don't want to believe it's real because that's insane. Anyways, let's go find out some info on him. Or her. It. Oh, it's among, whoa, that's a very big photo. It's among one of the largest butterflies in the world. As its common name implies, the blue Morpho butterfly's wings are bright blue. edged with black. The blue morpho is among the largest butterflies in the world, with wings spanning from 5 to 8 inches. How much is that in centimeters? They are a vivid iridescent blue coloring as a result of the microscopic scales on the backs of their wings, which reflect the light. The underside of the morpho's wings, on the other hand, is a dull brown color with many eye spots, providing camouflage against predators such as birds and insects when its wings are closed. When the blue morpho flies, the contrasting bright blue and dull brown colors flash, making it look like the morpho is appearing and disappearing. That's cool. The male's wings are broader than those of the female and appear to be brighter in color. Blue morphos, like other butterflies, also have 2 clubbed antennas, 2 forewings and 2 hindwings, 6 legs and 3 body segments. Okay. Again, like I said, in the wild, the men are brighter and more colorful than the females. So habitat: live in tropical forests of Latin America from Mexico to Colombia. Adults spend most of their time in the forest floor and in the lower shrubs and trees of the understory of their wings, with their wings folded. Okay. So humans most commonly see morphos in clearings and along stream. I feel weird saying morphos. Anyways, along streams where their bright blue wings are most visible. Pilots flying over rainforests have even encountered large groups of blue morphos above the treetops, warming themselves in the sun. Ooh, that's cool. Oh, its entire lifespan lasts only 115 days. Rough. Okay. It's yeah, cool. That got a cool idea. Big as heck and blue as heck. There's our butterfly of the day. Back to the charts. Oh, I see we're going down. It's going down. Do 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 do. New York PM stream and I'll do that drinking game. Everyone picks the best one, I know. Another CGI butterfly. I feel like we're starting to see the same butterfly over and over again. The scientists sure they're just renaming the same ones with a certain butterfly type. Have changed from last night. It's because they don't exist. Gee, I bet. No. Boom! Rough! Okay, Russell. My mouse was tripping for the man. Ah, that's kind of funny. I'm not gonna lie. That he's hilarious. Clicking things I'm not supposed to be clicking. Okay, give me 2 seconds. Perry's asking for food. I'll be right back, guys. Wait a minute. I want to be here on. He's using my scroll wheel. I feel like I'm just a joke here with him. He's gonna come back and I'll blame my. I'm not interested because I liked. That's unhinged. I laugh so much. Okay. Anyways. Has anyone gotten any trades in? Is it... I don't even know. 10:25. Is it just me that feels like time is going backwards? Maya not feeding her dog. Bro, I feed him all the time. First, he's looking a little bit like a potato. I decided that I need to take him for 2 walks today because I'm gonna get back that side of the world. And everyone that used to see him when he was looking lean and mean and ready for action is gonna be like, what have you done? Because he's looking a little round. He's looking a little round. He's been living his best life for these past 3 months. Because normally he would go with me to the stables and obviously my horse is not down here. So he's been chilling and he looks a little bit like a potato. So yeah, I was looking at him now, I was like, oh, maybe we need to go for 2 walks today. Am I gonna have better friends and forget about us? Don't be dumb, Boom. That is impossible. Absolutely impossible. Never forget about you. 4:26. Guys, please. Please, can we get some trades? Please, can we get some trades? I've been in a short since 485. Oh, nice. Okay, at that little bit of a retest there. How old is Perry now? He's turning 4. He's nearly 4. He's nearly 4. Which freaks me out. No, he's still a baby. And take a drink because guys, should I take banana out my name and leave it as Boom? That's up to you. In all honesty, I mean, why do you want to take banana out? Everyone knows you as Boom Banana. Or still a puppy. He has to be a puppy forever and ever. Shame, he's very cute. He's KO'd right now. Oh, 28 guys. Rejection off of there. Nope, nope, nope. I don't even really know what to say with this right now. Let's see. Oh, no, it's definitely not 10. You see the high volume camera. No. Actually completely unique. You say that, do you know how many, like... So Boom has 3 O's, but if you just do like a Boom Banana with a double O, do you know how many Boom Bananas pop up on YouTube? It's actually insane. If I was playing the game, it would have been like 7 or 8, but it's only like 2. It's my birthday. Oh, birthday! Why didn't you mention something? Happy birthday, Lavender! What the heck? That is awesome! What have you done for yourself? Are you gonna treat yourself? Haven't got the same birthday as someone we know. I know. How cool. Well, depends. Lavender, where you at? Is it the 17th or the 18th? Oh, I forgot about Lavender's birthday. I mean, she never told me about her birthday. Good grief. I feel like we have to do something special for Lavender now. Lavender, is there anything special you want? I rarely drink this as a special occasion. She's not in SA, though, Mikwabe. Are you? Wait, Lavender, are you in SA right now? No. I'm so lost. Are you in South Africa? I thought you weren't in South Africa. Now I'm very conflicted. Lavender, where are you? I guess it was yesterday, because I'm in Canada. Ha! I knew it! You got gonna face African mom. Hammer, bye? Are you what? Are you okay? What's happening? This was yesterday because I'm in Canada. Get the breakout. I haven't a good entry. Full port you're funded for Lavender. But it's 1 AM, so it's still the same day for me. Okay. Okay. You're in Canada, why are you awake now? People in sleep and traders in sleep don't mix well. Why are we barking now? It'd be cool and profitable. What's it like in Canada? I feel like it's super boring. There's no Canadian friend. It was hiking PvP. Last and I just last the whole week. Treat yourself to a week-long birthday. Wait for the candle to close above support. He's hungry. At Frisbee, but sadly it's just me and my cat in my journal. Lavender, I've never heard something more relatable in my life. Also, you have a turtle? That's cool. Oh, it's nearly, do you know what? It's nearly Finn's gotcha day. Horsey people are weird. We celebrate the day that you got them. Does that make sense? Anyways. 434. This price action's making me sad. Price action's really making me sad. Oh, bye, boom! Oh no. Hey, Steve. I sneezed! I sneezed? Most Canadian men. Wow. Fossilized geezer, what's up? How do you manage your trades? What do you mean by manage my trades? Like when I'm in a trade, how do I like do my risk management. What do I look for when I take a trade? What do you mean? Well, it's nearly what day and what are we celebrating? Finn's Gotcha Day. So the day that Finn officially became my horse. It's called a Gotcha Day. Yes, once you know trade, your targets break even trail if there is one, etc. Okay, so I tend to do a 1 to 2 hour trade. So I target 1 to 2 hour. So that's pretty simple. So if I have more than one contract, I will take just gonna set this up for fossils so that you can have a look-see. Fossilized Giza. Sorry, I feel bad calling you that. But anyway, that is your name. Okay, so let's say this would be the trade. So you can see it's a, if I drew it properly, it'd be a 1 to 2 hour trade. So let's say the candle came in at about midpoint to TP. I would then mitigate my risk by half. If I have more than one contract in, I would take a partial at 1. Partial at 1 and then go break even. And then depending on how many contracts, I'll take the rest off at 1.1, so at the 1 to 2 hour. Or if there's a few contracts in there, I'll take majority off at 1.1 and maybe leave a runner. And then I will slowly start just trailing the runner. But yes, that's basically what I do. I don't know, obviously, it's more and more complicated. He's feel like he's never kicked or fallen on me. He hasn't pushed me over. He has stepped on my foot though. I think now I'm making more than enough guy. Yeah, we're good. Pushed up everyone holding shots, be forced to close and not have momentum. Are you good? No more scratches. Damn, it's because you turn yourself into a cat and you get out there. Petition for lavender to get some. Damn. Oh, what the heck, man? I won't lie, another point of view, I started training more so that I could better maintain relationship. I know. What's wrong? You look very sad right now. You have some droopy eyes happening. I mean, you're not wrong, but also turtle power. That's turdly awesome. I will see myself out for that joke. I'm aware that that joke was just that bad, but... Wait, you're terrified of cats? Trudy, don't be like that. Why are you scared of cats? What did cats do to you? What? 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 My guy's better not. Oh, you two. What? Hammer? What is happening? Okay, anyways. There was a bang. Nope, no clue what that was. Oh my gosh. Harry? I actually see it in my... There's something wrong with... That's how I look like. A video game is called being a... Jody! That is awesome, guys. It is Jordy's birthday as well. Jordy is Lavender's birthday today. Winning. Anyways, happy birthday, Jody! Jody George! I'm just sharing on top of on the rest of the tour, but if you had multiple contracts in partial, most of them leave for, yeah, basically fossilized geezer. Well, part of the money scares them in a way. Easy to get the money right. Oh, me and Dad, this is our please just not to go. Jody. It's Jody's birthday. What's a runner to you? For me, a runner is just... oh, it depends. Maybe there's it kind of depends, actually. That's a good question. So for me, a runner either have maybe a point of interest. Maybe there's a good liquidity level, I would then just leave it and see if it goes there, but I will keep a tight trailing stop loss. Or there'll just be no TP and I'll just let it go and I'll just have a tight trailing stop loss. And then when it comes back to tap into the stop loss, then there we go. I'm doing the trade enforcement like a bunny rabbit. Wow. Wow. Okay, anyways. Personalized geezer, does that make sense? So let's say I legit don't have anything here. Sure, that, okay. Let's say this was a trade that I had taken. Okay. And there were runners. I maybe would have left a runner to down here, right? Because that's a bob to bob level. And then when it reached a certain point, move my stop loss and then watched it and maybe moved it more and then left it there. So then when it came back up here, I would have been taken out at stop loss, but would have still earned a little bit more as a runner. Oh, Lavender, you're so sweet. I don't know, maybe I'm just a problem. I have no hope for now. She's too young today, she's only 17. Wow. Single cushion as a horse noise smells like from the night awards because of the topics. Well, I have paper evidence. I remember you doing that. Wow. Wow. Like that, I guarantee it does happen to Maya single because her previous boyfriend was sick of easy chicken.
Emotional damage.
Why are you hating on my easy chicken? I see nothing wrong with my easy chicken. Can we please get some trades in today? That would be amazing. Ah, sad. Okay. I want another opportunity at an A+ setup. Please. And thanks. Oh, let me work on that one. Is that why Louis left? No. Shaggy, so there was Louis caused drama. I'll just leave it at that. He was not being a good community member. Give me more info then. Give me another dish you like to cook. Okay. But that's a bit of a hard one because I don't like cooking anything. Mince and spaghetti? Yeah, I can make mince and spaghetti. Again, do I like making anything? Not really. I'm going to guess that Louis had a testosterone that he couldn't control. Sure. I'm pretty sure that's what they're using choosing the morning world diseases. Wow. What about the Daytrading TP? I used 20 MA. Oh, there we go. Okay. So fossilized geezer, do you take a TP and leave a runner, or do you just take a trade and let it go? How do you do it? No, don't worry, Jackie, you weren't. Man, that's a little soon. Cook better. If I can cook better than you, then the world is backwards. Wow. Oh, he left because he thought he was the best trader. Well, started saying people were scared of going against him and had. Yeah, he was trying to get people to compete with him and prove that they were doing this and this. Like, he wanted receipts and things, and I don't know. It was just, like I said, it wasn't in the spirit of the community. This is a supportive community. This is not pointing fingers saying you're full of rubbish and you can't trade and, you know, come at me, bro. You know, that's not the community. 1721 might block me one time if it was we'll go out of that someday. Boredom and being active probably took over his mind. Yeah. Oh, Ninja. Yeah, OTT. There we go. Very good cook, just saying. Really? OTT? Wow. Why are you going after OTT? Full of rabbits. No? Full of rubbish? Maybe? Did I say full of rubbish? I can't even remember what I said now. Full of rabbits. I must have said rubbish. That, oh my gosh. OTT, that took me a second. You see, I like read it, I was like, okay. You said, I was like, excuse me? What? I wish I was a Discord seat all that. Not one day that log on. OTT does not catch strays. Oh my gosh. Me and Dev's on the outs when it comes to Discord. To be honest, we wanted to set yours on. You should have. Sure. Ah! Okay, you guys are being so much today. You're funny. You are funny, but oh my gosh. Anyways, do you think this is gonna give me another opportunity? Is it just being meh? It's nearly the new hourly. Let's see. Expect retracement almost at TP. Nice. It's ready to go. Like, from here. Technically, technically it was also a Bob's Bob. I don't know if I would have. Was technically a Bob's Bob. The problem is, Hammer, it wasn't an A+. Like here, it wasn't an A+ setup for me. Really wasn't an A+ setup for me. This also is not an A+. Bullies get bullied. No, you don't know. It's just because you treat like me, I'm not a hater. That's fine, he knows it's my way of showing love. Yeah, I'll take this one. Tapped into all of this though, so let's see. Didn't quite reach the Bob level. No, this is not on. Come on. Go back and tag. can't tell if this is being absolutely serious right now. I feel like it is. Crying out loud. Rather stop loss there. Should have been a tag in there. Let's see, this might now come and bite me in the butt. Then okay, midpoint, mitigate by half. So there we go, hammer, this one's working. Now would be break even. Now have left a runner. Damn, that actually worked really well, Hammer. Sugar honey iced tea. That was a B setup. I already had 2 things going for that one, but oh well. Worked out nicely. See, now I'm gonna do this. And be like, Okay, decent point of interest for the runner could, I guess, be VWAP. Nope, not 2. Let's see. A beast, yep. Ah, my bad. Sorry. Did the wrong thing there. Whoopsies. Microwave, what? Break even, the cover, the cost of commission is like $4. Oh, you saying with this? So... Oh, Microwave, I think you missed the first bit of that. I'll have to explain it. I'll explain to you what I do on a different day. Paper trade, hammer. It was a B setup. You know my rules. When you take the A+ ones on the funded. And the A+ one did me dirty earlier. It was a paper trade. I wouldn't have traded 4 contracts if it was on the funded. I don't know, it's really like annoying. Same feeling when you put a sock on, wonky. Oh, can I upset people here? You go sock, shoe, or do you do both socks and then both shoes? Oh, like sock, sock, shoe, shoe. Or do you sock, shoe, leave the other foot barren, if you will. Final TP, 301. I just put it by VWAP. Let's see. Let's leave it below there. Might come back in here. It's a 5 a.m. candle. Wow, that was a pathetic little 5 a.m. candle. You're insane. These socks suck flip-flops. I'm trying to think. Very sure which allows me to profit every day. That's amazing. What is going on today? Perry is so restless. Crocs are poisonous. No, crocs are deadly. Get it? Crocodiles, bad, scary. Can kill you. No? Cool. I knew someone that was eaten by a crocodile. Anyways, that was very random. Let's see what this does. This looks like it's now just rejecting off of this point. It comes and hits then. 80s, weedies. Chill, dude, you go barefoot. Hey, yeah, this is the 1 minute time frame petition night. I'm in Crocs right now. No, you're not. Are you actually? OTT sent proof on Discord. Say keep the croc thing going. Yeah? Shame, she was snatched up by the crocodile while she was walking with her daughter. It was quite a sad story. I want to see my feet. I mean, you offered. Anyways. No, actually, you didn't offer. I said, ignore me. Moving on. Moving on. Cool. Let's see what this now does, if it's gonna continue further down, in which case you go away. Well, got the paper back up. No, my friend got for anything about everyone's on told him to took down. Wearing Crocs at a nightclub. What do you have on, my? Let's talk about you. I'm barefoot, guys. I'm chilling here with no shoes on. Let's see how this reacts here. See, I would have actually liked this trade for a short, but looks like it's going. Seriously, why is it that all the trades? Maybe I need to start fading myself again, but it feels like all the trades that I like are not working out. All the trades that I'm like, I'm not sure, are working out beautifully. That's very irritating. Crocs in a club. I've actually never seen a woman wearing Crocs. Oh, he definitely wears Crocs. Crocs at a club. Wearing Crocs to a nightclub is crazy. Crocs valid indoors if you're going for a quick shop run. No, not even. To be fair, Hammer, again, it's rather warm here. I hear that Joburg's quite cold today. You argue by bad from the USA OTT. Your license will be revoked. You have 4 days to leave. Fall in love with the trade and do the opposite. Yeah, Hammer, I'm starting to agree with you. Not Crocs to the club. That feels like it could be a song. Who got them Crocs to the club, Crocs to the club. No, something like that. That was very lame. That is embarrassing. Oh, that was terrible. I need to sit and think about my actions. That was... wow. No, Crocs are the winter version of slides. I mean, yeah, okay. Listen, no. I'm terrified. I'm gonna... It sounds like a 50 Cent song. Emma, I'm gonna get back that side and I'm gonna die. I'm actually gonna freeze. I'm gonna solidly freeze. So, let's see. Temperature now. Current temperature at my location. Hammer, it's 22 degrees here and sunny. Yeah. The high is 23 and the low is 16. Yeah, the lowest it gets basically for the whole week is, I see a 14, otherwise it's 16 degrees is the low here. We should make her sing more, like trick her to sing songs and make a page. Perhaps the handle comfortable no, we gotta get out of the habit of singing. Watermelon Asia High. I forgot about that. Thanks, Mikwave. Watermelon Asia High. High. So that would have been a loss. Do you see? I needed to start baiting myself. Okay, it's fine. Yep. 505. Oh, it's not 505. Where did I get 505 from? It's now 508, guys. Anyways, I had something and it's only 20 and mid-teen for next week. Yeah. What's up, Randy? Back testing will help. Yeah, so fossilized. I hate calling you Geezer. Okay, so, but Geezer. This is me kind of forward testing. Like I said, the A+ flipping setups I took on, or the A+ setup I had here, it was a bit risky. Maybe I was a little bit dumb. That's why I then changed to paper, because my mindset today is screw it, which is bad. If you're trading, that's bad. You can't have an screw it mindset. So I took this one. It was technically an A+ setup, but there was a lot of things not going for it. If I had done correctly, which is this range, it would have been a winning trade. But anyways, then going through here, yeah. So this is why I'm on the paper, because I'm having the wrong mindset today. Cloudy until next week, Monday. I'm gonna order McDonald's. Ooh, nummy. It's summer in England. It's a cloudy 21 degrees. Guys, you need, I don't know. You need some sunshine. Sunshine, lollipops, and rainbows. Damn. Okay, my fault. America told me I'm not Celsius. Live is different though. It is. Live is different. I don't think it's fair that I have to recalculate every single last thing. I feel like that's not. 900 countries, so we don't have to calculate. What? Anyways, me and maybe live in England. That's for my VWAP settings. TPL last spread. Check your VWAP settings. My VWAP settings are literally just session settings. Yeah, and it's anchored. Yeah. Clip that going to the channel. Oh, love, man. You guys are too funny. Hey, it's 11:11 in South Africa. Make a wish. Lavender, you must actually be used to some redonkulous cold weather there in Canada. I've heard it's actually just insane. I don't know that Lavender. Oh, I don't want to say I should have been in a pitch dark room with 20 screens and a super trading computer. Wish I could have some sun, real sun. Yeah. Well, I mean, Hammer, if you came down to KZN, you would get some. The sun is shining today. Vancouver's not that bad, it's pretty mild, but yeah, it gets cold. Okay, what's the coldest it gets there, Lavender? Before you say it's pretty mild. I'm a baby. I'm wearing 2 long sleeves and it's 20 degrees outside. Okay, bear that in mind. Before you say it gets pretty mild here. Hey, some guy, what's up? How you doing? We're having all the discussions. Anyways, I lived in, it's like minus 32 for 5. Ahmed, what's up? How you doing? It's 3 AM where you are. Damn, Pat, go to bed. Go to bed. Yes. That's nice. That was the latest thing off my Liverpool in the Midlands. That's in Fahrenheit though, Lavender. It's not minus 30 Celsius, surely. Vancouver's an average of like minus 6 degrees Celsius in winter. Is that correct? I was not this far because it was the 30th of March. I'm stuck there when we have another looting to not gonna check. Wait, there's a 30th. What? There's a 30th March? What? It's not what the what is. These are all apocalypse level temperatures you're seeing. Not ideal. So he's feeling frustrated. Okay. Minus 32 down under, that's crazy. Underwater pipes not freeze. I don't even know. That's Celsius when I lived in. So it was minus 32 degrees Celsius. And yeah, I'm in a long from this morning, been so busy with work I forgot. Oh! Is that a happy surprise or a sad surprise, some guy? No, it's in a funded stage. Gar explore. I think we found out someone in the world dyslexic. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised. I know my sister's definitely dyslexic. I don't know if I am dyslexic. I don't think I am. Sometimes I just, how do I put this? My brain goes too fast for my mouth to keep up. But that's the ADHD. I can talk. I'll give you $10 if you can get the word apocalypse right the first try. Got it. Hungary, they have deep underground pipes and heating, but in Vancouver, you sometimes pipe freeze because they're not prepared. Because I'll be -10. You know what, Hammer, you have a point. Hammer, you have a very valid point. I'll be fine because I just wouldn't be there anymore. I'm so tired of reading them. Win profits are all good. Not got TP1 yet, though it's still possible that it turns into my second L of the day. No, some guy! I had an L earlier. And now I'm just watching this. Like I said, feeling a little frustrated today, but that's fine. Fine. Give me a second. I went to go find Perry and he was just lying on the bed. I'm sorry to disturb you. I think he was cold. Now he's here. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to bother you. That's a whole enough in a couple of hours. Probably not. Long got whipped down in the first turn, but the confirmations were still there and we were support, so I took a second shot at it. Okay. When she puts her cat and turtle on a lead and says mush. Because all the people from those areas are much more savvy than the average city folk on how to get by if that's things go wrong with infrastructure, and my cat and turtle would be boss later. Sorry, I don't know why that imagery is actually sending me a little bit. I would quit this planet turtle on the rabbit race, so I'd trust him. Yeah, probably like Eskimo's name. It's not all. That's insane, Fixus. Do you have like your own generators or anything like them for me then? Oh, you guys are actually you guys are being too funny today. Oh, bye, Hammer. Where you going? No. Hello. Am I being weird? Yeah, but this is not new for you. I'm always weird. Okay. Harry's here. Yay, some guy. He came here specifically to say hi to you. Before I go, that was a 50 buy. Wait. No. What's up, troops? I did not trade FOMC, so I had a little... Did I have a loss yesterday? I did. I had a loss yesterday. I've had a flipping loss today. I'm just not having a good week. But that's okay. Scratch the booty. He lay down again. Yeah, Jen. I can give him, yeah. I keep forgetting it's Friday. It's not Friday, Atlanta. Oh, I guess it's fake Friday. I guess. Not for London, though, but for New York, if... Like, is it actually... Oh, the swing before that. I did see that. Let's see about this one, Hammer. Is the New York session actually closed, though, tomorrow? Can anyone confirm or deny? Apparently there's a holiday tomorrow, but is New York actually closed? Or is it just a holiday, but the charts are still open? You know, it's Friday for me. I don't know about you. How's it Friday for you? On my better days. Oh, interesting. True. So we're a little bit different. It's closed at 1 p.m. EST. Oh, no. So then it's still open. I could still trade in New York. Futures is open until 12 EST time. Thanks, Chad. Okay, so no, I can still do both sessions tomorrow. Will there be any opportunities? Maybe not. So maybe it'll just be a shorter session. See what the first hour brings tomorrow. Volume will be very low. Equities will be closed. Yes. Maybe it's just a day we all just hop on Discord and do some testing. Right now. I don't understand. Honestly, I'm already on Mars permanently during the weekend. It's all... What is happening? I feel like I'm having a stroke trying to like read half of this. On Monday. Stop. Not always that bad. Let's see. I'm not doing work Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, therefore today is my Friday. But then don't say it's Friday, say it's your fake Friday. So you just can't trade the PM session tomorrow for New York, but the AM session is still open. Curious to see if this works. If it does, I might be grumpy because then there has been opportunities here. Just none of them are A+ opportunities. And this one is a B setup. Can take it on paper. Let's see how it goes. You have a strong hold upon you. Ah, so yep. Volume. The holiday per candle was like 850 pounds per candle. It's terrible. Okay, you're going to do that. I'm getting transitioned to live on Tradeify after taking 2 max payouts on 5 accounts. Troops, that's awesome! Well done! Hey! I think that deserves a whoop whoop. Me thinks that deserves a whoop whoop. That is amazing. Well done, Troops. Let's see if this does work, Hammer. If it does... I'm gonna get frustrated. Just with myself, in general. Like I said, this was also a B setup. Why are the B setups working better than the flipping A+ setups recently? It's very frustrating. Microwave, aren't you HR? Technically? I feel like you are low-key HR. Which is funny. For many reasons. My girlfriend asked me about what psychology gotta take more. Not discriminate. I feel like I know my luck, because looking at this, you're right, all the 50% have been retraced. So this one would have then broken, and now it's retraced that way, retraced that way. See, maybe if it breaks this high, I'll attempt. Let's see what the volume's like. Let's see. You have to figure everything using just do. How many B set of work? Yeah, just 2 fans by the way. No, sometimes I'll do like what I'm doing like that. HR, no worries, continue. Ah, flip. Oh wow, I felt like a chop there. A lot of people don't know doing these big ones settle down before trading. Sorry, I'm just reading through all of these. Ask me. I'm just going along for the ride. Oh, bye, some guy. Enjoy work. Yeah, nice, great. Making for the easiest entry points ever. Let's see, this is stalling. This is solidly stalling. Okay. Let's see what it does. Yeah, we're gonna do trade. Can I respect TA? I wanted to say something and I forgot what I wanted to say, so here we are. This one is paper hammer. I kind of came up with my own strategy. Might look London. Which means it's probably gonna work out, right? I guarantee you if I then swapped over to funded and just marketed in for a buy, it would not. But that's just me being negative. It has reached midpoint, which means I'm it's too choppy, never mind. I was gonna say when it's choppy like this, it's not worth even moving stop loss either takes you out or it doesn't. Let's see if I had mitigated risk by half, it would have taken me out there. Lavender, did you actually start taking shots every time it hit VWAP? Thanks, Debbie. Yeah, it's, I mean, actually, it looks quite fancy. I've had this for years. Yeah, can be super fancy with this thing. I have actually had this for years. Like my favorite jacket. Maybe a degenerate, but not an alcoholic. Lavender, valid. That's valid. Let's see. Ooh, looks like the sellers might be coming back here. Dun dun dun. I have 5 6 rounds. I need to know enough to know those once upon a time. Wolf, what? I've had this for years, translates to 1902. Listen here, just because your birth year starts with a 2 does not give you the authority to be a brat. Okay. Just saying, OTT. Just because you're a child doesn't mean you get to act like one. Swish. I was supposed to when I was 19, but I feel like it's really OTT with the shots, honestly. $533. Okay. Oops. Hit my mouse accidentally. 415 comes for pullback. I don't know if it's gonna go that far down for a pullback. Explore. Could be wrong though, this is now going sideways, so what the heck do I know? I think if it comes back down one more time, it might solidly drop through that floor. Let's see. It's tapped into that level 3 times now. I bet RTT is still laughing. I think it's on a VWAP, I don't know. I have like 3 VWAPs, that's valid. RTT is sitting behind the screen going, Natch. That's crazy. Gosh. Oh, Philip, that's funny. You nailed that. That is exactly what he would say. 100%. Oh my gosh. Spot on. I bet word for word. What VWAPs do you run? Where you at, OTT? Come back here. We need you to confirm or deny. How old is... Ollie, you're only 21, aren't you? So I think Ollie's only 1 year older than OTT. Gosh, am I so predictable? I mean, oopsie, sorry, I'm butchered that now. I'm behind. No, I'm 30 that, yeah, sure. You might be grumpy like an old man, but you are not an old man. Microave, just saying. And then maybe I'll have to talk about something. Okay. This trade has been going. Let's see the third tap if it breaks through this floor or not. I feel 60, but I'm 21. The PSC is 150. We have more volume above 50, so it might break for a push. Okay. The reverse. I mean, nobody's trying to learn. After this, I might be outie for the day, but let's see, guys. Now it looks like volume's just gone meh. Okay. Still not. I think it's just the English mentality, just not to be bothered to deal with people. I mean, maybe. That is valid. There we go. Ollie, does that make you happy? Yeah? Better? Hammer's on the paper. But thank you. You were very much correct. I need to start listening to you way more. Next time you say take it, I'll take it on the funded. Something mysterious. I want to make small time. I just think I've wasted a minute of life. I know you hate that, and that's why I say it. Yep. No, rule number 2, never trade another man's mind. I know. Rule number 2. What's rule number 1? What's rule number 1? I feel like I've now missed something. Don't talk about Fight Club.
Nice.
That was good. Nice person, just can't stand annoying people from the mental world. Never trade your friends or family's money. That's valid. So, oh, that was brilliant. That was good. Okay. That would have been a good trade. Good call. Jolly good. I'm gonna watch this. Okay, that's a lot of money. Stop snoring, please. That's what I talked to you about. On the earth. I think we need to flip our setups, make the B and A the B, maybe at this point. So the B ones are working really well. And the A1s are being not so good. Like, seriously. Okay. Well, I did say after that one, I'm probably outie. Not waiting for Claude to come. Hammer. Did I ever mention I'm going? Like, leaving the stream? Leaving South Africa? Where are you going, Hammer? I feel like this. Who's messaging me? What do you want? Nah. No, nothing. Yeah, okay. I'ma call it. I'm outie. Yeah. Okay, guys, that was fun. Had a little L. Had then some amazing trades on the paper. Naturally, back up to $1,000 on the paper trading. Anyways, see if I can get my mind right for New York. Maybe I need to just go scream into a pillow and get over myself. Maybe that's an idea. Okay, anyways, moving on. I just read something. Anyways, I love you guys, Maddie. Thank you for joining. As always, you guys are awesome as all heck. Don't forget to press that like button. If you guys want discounts, you know what to do. Okay, I love you madly. Trade safe. Be back for New York. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Guys, there's a week left. There's basically a week left. Which is wild. Okay.